So these 4 pieces come with the drone, and once you've taken it out of its controller and opened up your legs or arms or whatever you want to call them, you'll notice right here, you see how there's a little thing that comes out, and if you look on these, you're going to see there's little catches on them, right? So these basically they set on there like that, right? They just slide on, and that locks them in. I mean, if you put them this way, that would be kind of weird, wouldn't it? Because it wouldn't really protect the rotors. So you look at these and you're thinking, does it go on this way or does it go on that way? No, it goes on this way. So here they are. You're just going to kind of put it on there just like that. Just snap it in. There we go. Now let's come over here. We're going to do this one. Same way. We're just going to slide her on there, snap her in. And we're just going to go all the way around and do that, just so you can see right there. Then snap it on. Let me get a really close up here so you can get a good idea. So there it is, right? So now I've got to come in, put her on there like that. Just got to make sure you get it on. Bam, done. So there we go. We've got those on there. And now we're almost ready to rock. You can see the universal power buttons here. There's a little thing next to it. Here's the contacts for the battery. You can see these little slots. The battery slides in like this. Comes from this end. I'm going to show you how to do that. And that's your drone right there. I mean, it's tiny. Look, it fits in my hand. And I can't wait to try it out and see how she works.